Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is Dext and NetSuite. So to get started with this overview, so Dext is a automation focused expense and data management tools designed to streamline receipt capture, invoice processing and bookkeeping for small to medium business and accountants. It's also valued for its real-time data extraction, seamless integration with the accounting software, and user-friendly mobile app. Talking about NetSuite on the other side, NetSuite by Oracle is a comprehensive cloud ERP platform that covered accounting, CRM, inventory, e-commerce, financial planning. It targets mid-sized to large business, needing all-in-one business management with advanced customization and scalability. Then talking about what these two platforms is best for, so starting with Dext is best for small to medium businesses needing a bookkeeping and accountant wanting a simplified expenses and data automation. Then NetSuite is best for mid-sized and large business needing a full ERP system for end-to-end business operation. And here's the downside about this platform. Starting with the NetSuite, it has a setup which is very cost, and the learning curve can be very annoying. Then the overkills for small business with a simple need. And talking about the downside, the other side, starting with the downside, it has a limited beyond document management and expense automation, and not a full accounting or ERP system. And here's a full conclusion about this platform. So you can just go for Dext if you need a simple and efficient solution for accounting, receipt capturing, expense management, and bookkeeping at a reasonable price. Then on the other side, you can simply choose NetSuite if your business require a robust all-in-one ERP system to manage your complex operation, financial, and a scaling need. So that's it. Let me know your take in the comment section. What you think about these two platforms. Thanks.